The Participants link. You can use this link to find other people in your course. To access the Participants link, I'll first open the navigation drawer and click on the word Participants. To get more screen space, I am now going to close the navigation drawer. Now we can see the course participants screen. Sorting participants. Sorting means arranging the students in order. When one of the sorting fields is clicked, the course participant profiles are arranged in a new order. We can arrange this list by first name, last or surname, and the last time they logged in or accessed the course, for example. So if I click on Last Access, we can see who has recently been online. If you want to find people by name, you can click on the first letter of their first name or surname in the alphabet list. We can see there is one person in the course whose first name begins with the letter B, Beverly Davis. To get back to a view of all the participants in the course, click on the All button. Finally, if you want to see more details on a particular participant, you can click on their name in the participants list.